Oh, this is eBay break 1853. 1853. I got Muntz King 1, Collect Manrick 1, Zach Peterson 1, Get Some 1, Ryan Jordan 4, Mike P 3, JJR 1, Ant Pick 2, Mike P 3, Aaron 4, Bowling 1, Matt Boosie 2, Fake News 4, and Craig with 4. Alright, guys, here we go. Ram.org 5 times. No Payson column B next to the 32 teams. That's a team you off for the break. Twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Ryan J, you're on top. Men's King, you're on the bottom there 5 times. Alright, Ryan Cardinals, Craig Falcons, Fake News Ravens, Anthony Bills, Ryan Panthers, Aaron Bears, Anthony Bengals, Collect Browns, Bowling Cowboys, Aaron Broncos, JJR Lions, Ryan Packers, Fake News Texans Colts, Mike P Jags, Aaron Chiefs, Craig Rams Dolphins, Aaron Vikings, Mike P Patriots Saints, Get Some Giants, Fake News Jets, Ryan Raiders, Zach Eagles, Mike Steelers Chargers Niners, Craig Seahawks, Mike Boosie Bucks Titans, and Men's King with the Washington Redskins. Need that Saquon show up and remind me I won once. Saquon. Three teams. You get my Aaron. You went 2. Certified's close 2. All right, guys. Here we go. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. That's what I said too, Jeff. I said, where the heck's all the Lamar Jackson? That's all. Yeah, for real. There should be an extra auto from this case. I haven't seen any, we haven't pulled any of those redemption cards yet either in this case. There's a Baker Mayfield right there. Alright, Andrew Luck, Josh Rosen, Leonard Fournette, James Conner out of 75. James Conner out of 75. James Conner. And Baker Mayfield jersey. Or, I'm sorry, rookie card. Josh Rosen. So you guys are saying Josh Rosen's getting the boot, huh? He's getting the big booty. Geis, Hamilton, Edmonds, Mike Gesky at 175, Shereen Griffin. Shaheem Griffin. You guys got some limited action up next. And then probably a certified box. And whatever Brent wants, and then we'll be done. I don't think he's getting traded, man. Baker Mayfield, Sonny Michel, Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey at 199, Zach Ertz. I would be shookened if he was traded. Absolutely shookened. What'd you say? James, I didn't even see what you said. I haven't opened it. An awesome twist. I think you're just trying to sell me more of your cards. I like the football, man. I don't like doing the multi-sport. Phillip Rivers, Matt Ryan, Carson Wentz for now. I think Todd Gurley, James Conner. I like that funny. I think one more football series. I have a couple ideas, but just I could already tell what you're gonna tell me. I didn't have to look. I want to do a premium series like I did for those minors. Well, I didn't make the minors, but there's a graded card in a hobby pack. Multi-sport. Oh, there's a die cut here. Watson, Ward, Kane, Landry purple, 75. Calvin Ridley, Carter, Troy Aikman, Jalen Ramsey, Dante Jackson. What happened? The P is capitalized. Andy Dalton, Wilson. Oh, nice Baker Mayfield Prism. Capital PP. Thomas Brady, Sharpshoot. Troy Aikman. Andy Dalton base. Russell Wilson base. Will Disley, Hines, Zach Ertz, Saquon, Steven Jackson. JMS, why don't you just write some threats down on pieces of paper or note cards, and I'll put them in the premium packs. So it's like, all right, we gotta give away a death threat. Handwritten by JMass, 1 of 1. It would be probably the case hit. Ramsey, Peterson, Philip Lindsay, Roquan Smith tie-dye at 1 out of 25. Calais Campbell. Phil Lindsay Prism. Yeah, exactly. Just throw some of those in there. Odell Beckham, Kiki Cootie, Josh Allen. Ooh-wee. Josh Allen out of 25. 12 out of 25. Josh Allen. Josh Allen, 12 out of 25. Josh Allen. You got that right, Jeff. Got a lot of sleeves, man. Josh Allen, nice. Going through a lot of sleeves. Sleeve at the Beaver. Jared Goff, Prism. I'm going to get a case for that, just 1 second. Mariota. Odell Beckham base. Kiki Cootie. Sleeve at the Beaver. You like that? Alright, here we go. What's up, Real News? Juju Smith-Schuster Brooks, bro. Alvin Kamara, Derwin James, Jimmy G, Jeremy Moore, 75, Kerryon Johnson. Jimmy Garoppolo. Jamal Moore. Carry on. Are we missing a hit? Oh my god. Josh Allen. Josh Allen. Raekwon Smith. One more pack. I'm just saying from John Allen. Who is that guy? I swear, if this doesn't have an auto on it, Panini's getting something. Alright, we're good. Jordan Thomas, Antonio Callaway, Dante Pettis, TJ Watt. Oh, excuse me. 1 out of 10. Bruce Matthews, 1 out of 10 gold. This box got a lot of gold in it, fellas. This case, 2 gold autos. Or, a lot of gold. eBay 1 of 1. And a Josh Allen. Not bad, guys. We're picking up. Finally hit that good case. Cool. Alright, guys. I would agree, so. I would agree. How much do you think that Josh Allen goes for? I was debating if I should one-touch it or not. I probably end up will. Alright. Buffalo Bills. Ain't Pick, my dude. Anthony Pickett got himself a Josh Allen at 25 bankroll. Cleveland Browns. Collect Man Rick. Nice. James Conner. The Bird, Mike P, a.k.a. Mike Smith, a.k.a. Dirty Bull, Tennessee Titans, Matt Busey, Roquan Smith, tie-dye, Chicago, Aaron Miller. And I'll sort the rest of the inserts and stuff later, guys. Alright, column C, 5 times, ram.org. Whoever's on top, free spot into an autographed mini helmet giveaway. Number 70. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And fake news, bonus break hero. Bonus break hero. That's eBay rate 1853. 1853. Select foosball. Alright, guys. Any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break. We go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you very much, and have a great night.